Hey guys, just want to go ahead and give you a little short clip here of some of the common repairs that you end up finding and needing to go ahead and know. Also, with you having to call somebody else out here. No, it's not catastrophe. Your system isn't going to need to be reinstalled or anything like that. What simply happens is that the saddle itself can end up shifting over, whether or not you have a tree there, tree root system there, maybe you got a boulder or whatnot. The trees in shrubbery, they want the water. Basically, anytime that they will end up filling the water in that general area, the root system will gradually go ahead and make its way over to the pipe so it can get something to drink. A lot of cases are they end up getting the roots to be able to grow in between the saddles themselves just enough for you to end up having what you saw before, a leaking saddle. So a simple fix, you go ahead and I'm sorry I wasn't able to go ahead and show you because I'm trying to do it also for the client, but you dig it up all the way down to the saddle part, all the way down to the white piece, and you can take off the rotor and the riser as well to see if the hole is lined up down there. If it is, then you can also take a tool that ends up doing, it's called a nut driver, and you can place it on the outside and drive the nut closer to minimize that gap between the pipe and the fitting itself. And once it's done, then you can see right here, it's functioning perfectly here and running as normal. So any more tips and tricks you guys want to see, go ahead and follow me at Time Bomb Irrigation. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, and any social media you can imagine. All right, thanks. Take care. Count your blessings.